Adorable baby animal videos are trending, and this YouTube channel has grown to 50,000 subscribers by tapping into this trending niche, and it's only getting bigger. Over on Instagram, similar pages are pulling into 50 to 30,000 views per reels, and I bet these channels are making over $5,000 to $10,000 a month just by selling digital products through these videos. So how can you create these viral worthy baby animal videos with AI and for free? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make this happen in 4 simple steps. Plus, before the end of this video, I'll share an amazing hack on how to generate the perfect prompt using just a screenshot. Grab a cup of coffee, let's get right into it. Step 1. Creating the perfect prompt. Writing prompts might sound tough, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Just open the ChatGPT and copy the prompts I've included in the video description below. Once you've pasted the prompt into ChatGPT, ask it to create 5 more prompts featuring different cute baby animals super easy. And if you need even more unique prompts, just drop a comment below and I'll share you a link to my Google Doc with tons of additional prompts you can make use of. Step 2. Now, step 2, after you have generated your prompt from ChatGPT, the step 2, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to this website called Leonardo AI. This is where we're going to be generating the images. So once you're on this website, you can scroll over here and click on Get Started. You can go over here and sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So once you're on the home page, you can see over here that for the free plan, you only have 150 credits every day. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go over here and click on image creation. Now it's going to bring you over to this page. So for this, we're going to be creating a short video which is for Instagram and for YouTube that will be real. So we're going to make use of this 2x3. Okay, then once you set it to this, you can just come over here and write down your prompt. So we're going to go over to ChatGPT and collect the prompt that was generated from ChatGPT. So you can see here, I'll just copy this, then I come over here and paste it on this place. So you can see what I've done here. Then I'm going to click on generate. So you can see that it's done generating the script for us. Now there's one more thing we can do to this to make it more unique when we are making it an animation. So what we're going to do is you come over to this style, then come over to 3D render. Then you can just leave this on auto, then you can regenerate. Okay, so you can see that it has rendered the video. You can see it here. So you just pick any one that you feel you like the best. So I'm going to go with this. So I'll just come over here and click on download. Okay, then you can do this for any other animal you like. So you can just come over here and change this to any other animal. I'll do for tiger and so on. So you can see that generated for tiger. So I'm just going to download this. Panda. I'll change this to branch. Okay, you can see it's done generating. So I'll just look for the one that I love. So I'll go with this, then I'll download. Once you're done downloading everything, we're going to move over to the step 3. Step 3. Once you're done generating those images, we're going to head over to this website. You'll see the link in the description box below. You can come over here and click on sign in. Now once you're on the sign in page, you can continue with your Google account. So once you have signed in, you can just come over here and try now. So it's going to bring you over to this page. Now you're going to upload those pictures. This is the free trial, and for the free trial you only have 1,100 credits. So what you're going to do is you come over here and upload your image. Okay, so I'm just going to drag this image. Once you have uploaded the image, you can just type what you want. So you can just go over to ChatGPT and get a tip or summary of that our script. So I'll come over here and paste this prompt. Now you can read the prompt. The cute tiny lion cub perched on a human fingertip gazing directly at the viewer as it raises its head slightly. I'll now add full stop, then I'll just come over here. You can also insert camera movement. You can check here to see some camera movements that you can insert, but I'll just leave it to do that one. I'll just come over here and click on this, create. So once it's done downloading, you can just right click on it and click on download, and it's going to download. So you can do the same thing for the rest of the pictures. Okay, so I'll remove this and do the same thing for this one. So finally, once you're done downloading the whole videos, you can come over here and import your videos. So over here you can see my videos. I'm just going to come here and drag all these. Once I select all these videos, I'm just going to drag and paste it on my timeline. Now you can see it's over here, so we'll just come over to this ratio and set the ratio to 9:16, which is normal YouTube standard or normal TikTok reel or YouTube reel. So what we're going to do here is we're going to zoom this, so we can also cover. You can see this is the watermark. So if we enlarge this, we can also cover the watermark here, and this is how it's going to be for all of them. So you just come over here and do the same thing. Make sure you cover the watermark. Okay, you just do the same thing for all of them. All right, you can see you have generated all the clips. So you can just come over here to audio and find the perfect music that suits this clip. So I'll just go over here and do some research. So once you have found the perfect audio, you can just drag it and add the audio to your timeline. So I'm just going to zoom this to this point. Now what I'm going to do is I'll play this. So you can make this more engaging by adding some transition. So we'll go over to the transition features. On these transition features, we're going to look for transitions that we can add to this. So what I can do, I can drag this and come over here and add it. I'll click on OK. Then I can come over to this place and apply for all. So you notice that all the videos now has this particular transition. So we can come here and play it. So you can also slow the video down to make it more interesting. So I'm just going to bring this down to like 6. Then you can see how slow the thing is. But because of this image is not much, I'm not going to slow it down too much. So I'm just going to leave it to 0.9, which is okay. So for this, you're not going to only make use of these 3 images. You're going to at least get like minimum of 15 clips, couple them together and form your transition. So I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to cut this. I'll remove this. Then I'll come over here. I think I have to reduce this sound a bit. So I'm just going to reduce it a bit, lower the audio a bit, and okay. Then here, I'm going to drag this down so that it will start rising, so that the audio is going to start rising and enter. Then at the ending, I'm going to lower it down, so it's going to also fade out. So it's going to fade in and fade out, okay? You can also come over and click on this place, come over to animations. You can add different type of animation here. So I'll just come over to combo. On the combo, I'm just going to add this feature. You can see how it zoomed in and come out. You're going to see how it's going to zoom out, you see? And it also transition to the next clip. So I'm going to add this. Then I'll add this. You can see how engaging it is now. You can see how more engaging it is. So once you're done with all this, you can just go ahead and click your export. Then you can name it whatever you want to name it, AI animated. I'm just going to click and export. Bonus tip. Now I'm going to give you guys the bonus tip which I said earlier. how to generate prompts by making use of an image. Okay, so once you come over to the image you want to screenshot, so I'm just going to, this is what I've already done, so I'm just going to show you how I did this. I'll come over here, you can see this image. I'm just going to click on screenshots and I'll screenshot this. Then I'm just going to crop it out. Okay, I'll crop out the points I need. So let me do another image. Let me do another image, and then I'm just going to do this. I'll drag this and drag this. Then I'll bring this one close a bit. Then I'm going to click on done. Then what I'm going to do is I'll come over to ChatGPT. Now once I'm on the ChatGPT page, I'm going to drop that image here. Then I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate a prompt for me using the image above. You can see the image, so I'm just going to hit it, and you can see here that it has generated the prompt for us. So if you don't want to stress yourself and you just want to copy exactly what you found somewhere that has high views, you can just come over, screenshot the video, paste it on ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you the prompt. You can go to Leonardo, paste the prompt, generate the image, then come over to the other website, make the image to turn into a video. You come over to CapCut and edit it, and you can start posting this thing and get your channel monetized and start making some little amount of cash on your channel. So if you want to learn more about how to grow your YouTube channel, or you also want to learn anything regarding YouTube AdSense loading or website AdSense loading, you can go over and click on the description button, because on this channel I teach everything regarding Google AdSense loading. See you in the next tutorial. Click on the video next to learn how to grow your YouTube channel.